I heard the video start.
Oh, I'm videoing you. It's Jackson trying to get a dead bird out of the door of my car. We kept smelling something in here in the shop and narrowed it down to the elcamino. So we've got it pushed out. He's got this special set of pliers that I made for doing 6L80 transmissions. I don't think that's going to work.
He's bueno.
Something tells me I'm going to have to get this bird out of here.
Didn't stick.
Did you lose my socket in there? Didn't have one on it?
No, I don't know how we're going to grab that thing. We don't have any long pliers.
You said that well, get it. I'll tell you what, stick something in there and scoot it over just enough to where you can get it with that snap ring tool. Come on, the folks at home are watching. We need to see some victory here out of you. No, they ain't gonna scoot over. Don't tap them on my roof.
I didn't. Or did,
See if you can get him scooted over. Get it to a spot where you can grab a hold of it. I know it's up in the front edge of that door. I looked at it.
can't even really get down there, dude.
Hey, I tell you what, look. Remember that tool that I made to get the door open on that Corvette?
Oh yeah.
Get that stick. It's right over here somewhere. Get that stick and let's see if you can scoot him over.
Oh, dude, he might be decayed enough. I can just like.
Come on.
Grab him up by his rib cage.
Boy, learns a little bit of everything around here. From mechanicking, cleaning,
Bad, dude. Why?
hauling cars, running forklift, clearing dead birds out of doors of cars. I don't know why this poor creature had to, out of all the cars I got here, why would you pick my car? Dying. Poor car been through enough.
Oh!
What?
I got some feathers on my little pick here.
That's good. That means it's working.
That means that he's coming apart inside your door panel.
That's not good.
Yeah, not good. He's decayed. We caught it too late.
Oh, we didn't know he was in there until he started reeking.
Oh no, he fell off. Crap.
It's like fishing.
That's why it's called fishing, not catching, 'cause I ain't catching.
Oh. Come on, Jack. Hold it together. You got it. You got it. Throw it way out there. Got him. All right. Good job, Jack. Hey, wash that tool off. Oh, thank God we got rid of the smell. Hope y'all are having a better day than we are.